too many lines here. Don't be a minimum guy. I mean, बहुत सारे lines हैं. My question is, what does it take to come up with a line that's going to stay with the audience and, you know, be used in daily life? Like, is there a secret to that?
There is no secret to that. I think it all started with, I remember in a cafe, me and Raj and DK met. I think it was 2017 or 18 when the show was being developed. And I think they told me this log line, or not even a log line, this line that I think if I'm not wrong, it was, he's a world-class spy and a middle-class guy. And that identification with the character, I think is supreme for a writer. Like, how do you identify within yourself who's the protagonist? And that middle-class guy who happens to be, or who's now is a world-class spy, that really nailed it for me. And I think the first sequence that we did, you know, where he's going through this first day of his life,
Sure.
and he talks to his kids, and he's dropping them to the school, and they are like, कि तुम बड़े एहसान फरामोश हो कि तुम मेरे को बोल रहे हो कि गाड़ी कैसी है, एंड दैट लाइन, आई थिंक वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऐसा हुआ था कि वो जो एक लाइन बोलता है वो आई थिंक हर किसी ने सुनी होगी वो लाइन, कि जहाँ पर वो बोलते हैं कि ही सेज कि तुमको कदर नहीं है, कि जब मैं स्कूल जाता था तो मैं साइकिल पे जाता था और मेरे दादाजी नदी, एंड दे कंप्लीट द लाइन, और दादाजी नदी पार करके. So I think that line has been told to every kid in this country. So that identification helped me. And then when he finally gets done with the whole dropping, he's so tired that he just utters those lines which has become iconic now, कि आ रहा हूँ dash dash dash. So because it's the common man's frustration, and once you identify with that, everything becomes it just naturally flows because you are now feeling the character. And the second thing, which, you know, people say that gali, you know, like for me it is not that. It is, I think, gali एक अलंकार है भाषा का. तो और जब तक उसको आप अलंकार की तरह देखते हो तब तक वो साउंड नहीं करता है बिल्कुल ऑफ. जैसे ही आप उसको देखते हो कि ये है, तो फिर वो आपकी राइटिंग में भी झलकेगा कि यार ये अखर रहा है कानों को, लेकिन कभी वो अखरता नहीं है क्योंकि वो अलंकार की तरह इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है. तो आई थिंक दीज आर द फंडामेंटल्स दैट आई हैव kept in mind while writing it, and rest is, you know, it's a great teamwork, and to have actors and have creators, you know, who have created this character, it's been a great journey.
No, thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing those insights. A round of applause for our writers again. Thank you.